The UK's coronavirus lockdown has been in place for more than 3 weeks, with the economy taking a hit and virus deaths rising over 12,000. The question millions of people are asking is this: when will lockdown end? The short answer is we don't know, but the government has started to talk about an exit strategy and praised the progress being made.
Amidst this sobering death toll, there are also some positive signs from the data that we are starting to win this struggle.
The government has to weigh up the effect of a prolonged lockdown, which could wreak havoc on the economy, or lifting restrictions too early, which could lead to a second wave of cases overwhelming the NHS. So how will we know when it's safe to lift restrictions? The World Health Organization has issued the following guidelines for countries for when they know it will be safe to end the lockdown. 1. The transmission is controlled. 2. Health system capacities are in place to detect, isolate and treat every COVID-19 case and trace every contact. 3. Outbreak risks are minimised in special settings like health facilities and nursing homes. 4. Preventative measures are in place in workplaces, schools and other places where it's essential for people to go. 5. Importation risks can be managed. 6. Communities are fully educated, engaged and empowered to adjust to the new norm. Although medical experts say until a treatment or vaccine is widely available, some social distancing restrictions will have to remain in place for the long term. On Thursday, the government will review lockdown procedures, although the First Secretary of State Dominic Raab confirmed yesterday that restrictions will continue for at least the next 3 weeks. Most experts believe that the lockdown will continue for a further 6 to 9 weeks if the UK is on the same path as Wuhan in China, where the virus started. However, it could take scientists a further 18 months to find a vaccine. Some restrictions, including banning long-distance travel, depending on if different regions have different rules, could remain in place for a long time. Some countries are putting restrictions on importing. For example, Japan is helping companies move away from manufacturing in China with the support of $1 billion fund. It could also be made compulsory to wear masks on public transport. The government may put restrictions on large gatherings and international travel, which could include mandatory quarantine. However, one thing is for certain: COVID-19 will continue to have a huge impact on all our lives for the time being.